Alright, on this slide here we're going to be looking at the major bones of the skull. Now we're going to start from the front view of the skull here, and from the front view of the skull you can see several prominent bones. The first one is the front bone right here that makes up your forehead. This is the frontal bone. Now the frontal bone extends all the way back from this line here. This is the coronal suture. And the frontal bone goes all the way back and back underneath the eyelids. Now, still on the front side of the skull, you're going to see this bone right here. Okay, this is your cheekbone or zygomatic bone. Attached to this is now the zygomatic bone has another mate on the other side. These are two paired bones. The frontal bone is a singular bone. Just like this bone down here, the mandible or lower jaw. These two bones, the mandible and the frontal bone, do not have a mate, but the zygomatic bone or your cheekbones and the maxilla do have mates, left and right. Now still on the front of the skull you see these two bones right here. These are either nasal bones. Now the rest of the nose is made up of cartilage that comes out, but these are the two parts right here that are actually paired, a right and a left nasal bone. From in here, from this view also, you can see this part right here. This bone that looks like the front end of a plow, that's called the vomer bone. Vomer actually means plow.